Alrighty guys, so today I went ahead and finished stripping everything down off the Humvee. Couldn't get that light off. I'll work on that tomorrow. Just, sun was about to start going down and I want to get inside. It's been hot all day. So tomorrow what I'm going to be working on is I'm going to be fixing some of this fiberglass hood damage. So the next video you guys should be seeing is how to fix your fiberglass hoods. Right here we have some cracking pretty much right where it says not to step. So obviously someone is standing there. And then we have some damage right on the corner. Should be pretty easy to fix up. So yeah, so once we get some of this hood damage all fixed, then we're gonna go ahead and start sanding the entire vehicle down, getting it prepared for paint. So let's take a look at everything that was stripped down. I didn't really record any of this because this is nothing new. I did this in the last one and I did it in the previous one too. And I'm doing it on my slant back, which is the previous video of the slant back. See, everything is just all stripped out. Tried to get as much sand out of it as we can. There's still probably another 30 more pounds of sand in here. Crazy. There was a ton of sand. There was probably like 2 inches on each footwell. So yep, everything is all stripped out. So I'm also going to make a video talking about how much everything is going to cost, all the parts, pretty much everything that goes into building this. I'm going to make a little data sheet so you guys can see how much everything would cost and kind of give you an idea of, you know, let's say you pick one up from the auction that looks somewhat similar to this or how it looked, kind of give you an idea of what you are looking to spend if you want something similar to this finished product. So I think that might be a little bit helpful. Right now I'll make like a basic, just like a rough estimate of what things should cost. And then later on down the road, I'm gonna make a dedicated video just talking about everything all added up, which will probably be close to the end of this build, just so I don't miss anything that I might not have thought about. So yeah, so next few videos, we're gonna be fixing the hood. We're gonna be sanding everything down and preparing it for paint. Then after that, we're gonna be painting everything. And we need new tires on this. The tires over here look fine, but I don't know how old they are. They have dates on them, I haven't really checked, but some cracking in the front ones. And also the tire tread on that side is really worn. So we're gonna replace the tires. We got LED headlights for this thing. We're gonna do a standard 3-color camouflage paint on here. Brand new seats. We have a brand new 4-door top and doors. We're gonna be making the same old troop seats that I made for the last one. Just the half troop seats that go from here back. And we're also gonna be doing all the maintenance, all the basic maintenance. We're gonna be maintaining the hubs, checking the spindle nuts, everything that you'll need to do to yours when you buy one of these. I'm gonna try to get this whole thing done quick because starting up my next semester in school, and I want to get this somewhat done before that starts, just so I'll have just in case, if you know, depending on how hard my classes are, I don't know how much free time we'll be having. Anyways guys, we're gonna end it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Can't wait to show you some more episodes on this vehicle and bring you guys through the whole process again. See you in the next one, guys.
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing ever will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill.